It's time to eat. I'm posting this on my YouTube channel. It's time to eat this quail egg raw. Don't worry, it's refrigerated. Hey now, don't try this at home.
Oh, hell yeah. Blood for the blood god. Oh, see that? Soonest. Get the glizzy gosler.
That never happened.
Now feed the shell.
Show him.
Feed them. Satisfy their thirst.
Oh, there you go. I'm never doing that again unless it's a raw chicken egg. Yeah.
Look at them.
Because I've
They're
done
hungry for shell. Look at them. Bloody cannibals.
freak. That was weird.
And also, we got a cicada freshly out of its shell. You okay?
Yes.
He's dead. He's dead as hell.
Don't try that at home, please, kids.
Remember, guys, the disclaimer song by Unis Honest. Don't try this at home.
Don't try it at home.
Cannibalism is cool. Do 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 do. Hey now, don't try this. You might get arrested. Hey now, don't try this at home. Do 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 do.